Namaskaram. Today we will discuss about BCD to 7 segment display and BCD to 7 segment decoder. Binary code decimal to 7 segment decoder. BCD to 7 segment decoder. Okay, so here in binary coded decimal, so encoding schemes in binary coded decimal, encoding schemes, each of the decimal numbers, that is each of the decimal numbers is 0 to 9. Each of the decimal numbers 0 to 9 is represented. Okay, so is represented by its equivalent binary pattern. Is represented by its equivalent binary pattern. Okay, so that is which is generally of 4 bits. Okay, so here whereas the 7 segment display is an electronic device, so which consists of 7 light emitting diodes, So arranged in a some definite pattern, it means it is a common cathode or common anode. Common cathode or common anode type. So here which is used to display hexadecimal numericals. Hexadecimal numericals in this case, so decimal numbers as input is BCD. Decimal number as inputs is BCD, that is 0 to 9. Okay, so here BCD is a binary coded decimal is a circuit, is a binary circuit, so which converts binary code into decimal numbers by using integrated circuit 7447 or 7446. Okay, so here the two types of 7 segment LED displays. So first one is common cathode type and the other one is common anode type. So here the common cathode type, so in this type and the another one is common anode type. So first of all, we will discuss about common cathode type. So here, in this common cathode type, so on this type of display, all cathodes of the 7 light emitting diodes are connected together to the ground or minus VCC, ground or minus VCC. Hence, common cathode. And here the light emitting diode displays digits when some high signal is supplied to the individual anodes. So here this is the common cathode type, and then we will discuss about the common anode type. So here in this type of display, all the anodes of the 7 light emitting diodes are connected to battery or plus VCC. So here why, because cathode means negative and anode means positive. Okay, so here all the anodes of the 7 LEDs are connected to battery or plus VCC, positive VCC, and here the light emitting diodes displays digits when some low signal is supplied to the individual cathodes. But 7 segment display does not work by directly supplying voltage or different segments of light emitting diodes. Okay, so first our decimal number is changed to its BCD equivalent signal. That BCD to 7 segment decoder converters. So the signals to the form, so which is FAD to 7 segment display. Okay, so here this BCD to 7 segment decoder has 4 input lines. This BCD to 7 segment decoder has 4 input lines. So that is A, B, C, D. A, B and C, D. Okay, and 7 output lines. That is a, small b. Here 4 input lines are capital A, capital B, capital C, and capital D. And here the 7 output lines and small a, b, c, d, e, f, and z. Okay, so here this output is given to 7 segment light emitting diodes display, which displays the decimal number depending upon these inputs. Okay, so we can see the basic diagram of BCD to 7 segment decoder to 7 segment LEDs display. So here the BCD to 7 segment decoder has 4 input lines, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that is A, B, C, and D. Okay, and it has 7 output lines. So here it is a clock, and it has a 7 output lines. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That is A, B, C, D, E, F, and Z. Okay, so here this is BCD to 7 segment decoder. And here this is BCD to 7 segment decoder. This is 7 segment display. So here this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and Z. So here this is 7 segment LED display. So here this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and here this is Z. This is 7 segment LED display. Seven segment LED display. Okay, so for common cathode type, BCD to 7 segment decoder. So here for common anode type 7 segment light emitting diode display. So we only have to interchange all zeros. You have to have all changes zeros zeros and ones in the output set, that is for A, B, C, G, E, F and G. Replace all 1 by 0 and vice versa and solve using formula map, K map. So then we can see the circuit diagram for BCD to 7 segment display. Okay, so you can see the BCD to 7 segment display circuit. So here it has a this is 7446 or 7447 integrated circuit. 7446 or 7447 integrated circuit. Okay, so it has three input lines, 1, 2 and 3. Normally, so it has 4 input lines, but we have only 3 input lines. We take only 3 input lines. Okay, so here start A0, A1, A2 or ABC. Okay, A not A1, A2 or A, B, C or X, Y, Z sum. ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు మీకు నచ్చింది. Okay, so here this is connected to plus VCC. So here this is BCD to 7 segment display. Okay, so here this is connected to anode type. This is connected to plus VCC or battery supply. Okay, so it has 7 output lines, that is A, B, C and D, F and G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, and 7 output lines. Okay, so here this is connected to power supply B plus VCC or battery. Okay, okay, and another one B. B is connected to C connected to battery. Okay, and D. D. Okay. G. Okay. G and F is connected to okay. G is connected to this one. C is connected to this one. Okay, so here this is the circuit diagram for BCD to 7 segment display. BCD to 7 segment display. Okay, so here and then we will discuss about the and we can write about the truth table for BCD to 7 segment display. Okay. BCD means not given BCD. Okay. The decimal numbers. Decimal and 7 segment display. 7 segment display. Okay, so here this is A0, A1 and A2. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so here the 0 will be displayed on A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, A will be displayed on, so 0 will be displayed on A, B, C, D, E, F and 1 will be displayed on only A, B, C. Okay, and to display on A, B, G, and D and B. And 3 will be displayed on A, B, G, and C and D. And 4 will be displayed on F, G, B, and C. And 5 will be displayed on A, F, G, C, and A, F, G, C, and D. And 6 will be displayed on A, F, E, B, C, and G. And 7 will be displayed on A, B, C. Okay, so here this is the truth table for BCD to 7 segment display, and now we will discuss about the Boolean expressions. Okay, so first of all, so we will discuss about the truth table, of BCD to 7 segment display. So here output for first combination of inputs A0, A1, A2 and A3 can take only 3 inputs, but it has 4 inputs. So one phone సరిపోతే మనం ఈ 3 తీసుకున్నాం. Because in the truth table corresponds to 0 on the last combination corresponds to 9. Similarly, the rest corresponds from 2 to 8 from top to bottom. Okay, so here BCD numbers only range from 0 to 9. Thus the inputs from 10F are invalid inputs. Okay, so now we can see the Boolean expression of BCD to 7 segment display truth table. Boolean expressions. So this one A, means A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so here A will display on 0, okay, and 2, 3, and 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7. So 0, 2, 3, 5, 6 and 7. So here the Boolean expression of A is equals to A2 bar, A1 bar, A0 bar, next A2 bar, A1, naught bar plus A2 bar A1 A naught. Okay, A2 bar A naught A1 plus A2 bar, sorry, A2 A1 bar A0 bar plus A2 A1 bar A0 okay plus A2 A1 A0. Okay, and B will be display on. B will be display on 0, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, sorry, 4 and 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 7. So C will be display on 0, okay, 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. So B will be display on 0, 2, 3, and 5, and 6. So E will be display on only 0 to 6. F will be display on 0, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay. So and Z will be display on 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. 5 and 6. Okay. So here these are the here this is the truth table for BCD to 7 segment display. BCD to 7 segment display. Okay, and then we will discuss about the applications of BCD to 7 segment display. So here the main applications of BCD to 7 segment display is the main applications of 7 segment displays. So here the 7 segment displays are used to display the digits. Here the 7 segment displays are used to display the units or display the digits in calculators and clocks and various measuring instruments. Various measuring instruments, digital watches, digital watches and digital counters. So here these are the main applications of 7 segment display. So here the 7 segment displays are used to the 7 segment displays are used to display the digits and calculators, clocks, various measuring instruments, and digital watches and digital counters and etc. Okay. So here these are the main applications of 7 segment display. So here this is about the binary coded decimal to 7 segment decoder to or binary coded decimal to 7 segment display. Okay, again next step.